Hey guys, do you own a pair of patent leather boots or shoes? Well, if you do, you probably know how difficult and annoying it is to remove those tough surface marks. But today I'm excited to share a solution that I found experimenting with all types of products that works every single time. This effective cleaning technique will have your boots looking brand new in no time. So grab your cleaning supplies and let's dive right in. So when it comes to tough surface marks, I'll be focusing on one in particular. These are marks that occur when the rubber outsole rubs against the patent leather and marks the leather by friction. And if you've tried to clean it off, you know how difficult it is. It's not dirt, so it doesn't come off easily with cleaner, and it's not a scrape ruining your leather, so it's not like you need to restore it. It's simply a tough surface mark created by rubber friction. We'll get to the solution in just a second, but before we do, let's quickly clean our patent leather to remove any dust, dirt, or debris that would further damage our leather as we try to remove those marks. It'll make a little more sense in just a second. First things first, go ahead and grab your favorite cleaner, and as always, my recommendation links are down below. Also note that it doesn't matter as much what cleaner you use when it comes to patent leather because there's a thick layer of plastic on the surface of the leather in comparison to a boot that has a full grain leather finish. Though I still would stick with cleaners that don't completely strip all the oils because patent can also crack and crease as well. Go ahead and use a microfiber cloth to gather all of the debris very easily, and make sure to alternate between the different sides of the cloth so that you're not continuing to rub in that dirt that you just picked up throughout the boots. Now, as you'll see, as I try to clean these rubber scuffs off of the leather, the cleaner just does not remove it. And that's because the mark is so deeply embedded that it needs just as much force and friction to get it off as it took to get it on. And we're getting closer, so hang on. Alright guys, the solution we've all been waiting for. This is a rubber eraser. These come in all shapes and forms, but the concept is simple. You want to rub off the rubber scuffs using rubber. Simply put, you need friction and grip to pull off those surface scuffs. Note that this only works with surface scuffs, and if you have damage or scrapes, this will not fix your leather. Now, this rubber eraser is not the same as a suede eraser, and note that you will ruin your patent leather if you use a suede eraser because it has a completely different composition of materials. A rubber eraser has one material, rubber, but a suede eraser has multiple materials that make it gritty, that can scratch or scrape your patent leather. The last thing that I would want for you is to ruin something that you're actually trying to fix. So of course, I'll provide multiple links for great rubber erasers below so that you don't get confused between the two. All that being said, you can use this rubber eraser on your patent leather, on your rubber midsoles, and even on different types of leather or even canvas. Just make sure not to press too hard, as well as to continually remove the rubber shavings so that you are not rubbing the dirt in as you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this simple and short video provided massive value for your leather loving journey. And although I honestly don't prefer patent leather, I know some of you out there love it. So here's to you. Don't forget to support the channel by liking the video, subscribing, and sharing it with your friends. And feel free to check out these videos next to learn more leather cleaning tips and tricks. Remember to love your leather.